Hey guys, it's Ben with Exceptional Glass, 888 Glass. We're somewhere in New Jersey. In today's video is to show a frameless inline door and panel on a curved tub. So these curved tubs are picking up steam in design nowadays. So the catch with these curved tubs is Home Depot does sell shower enclosures for curved tubs, but they're very, very specific. It has to be from the same manufacturer, and also the tile work has to be put up in a certain way. Can't be out of plumb in any way, stuff like that. So those pre-made kits usually don't work on curved tubs, even though they're made specifically for them, because it really comes down to the tile choices, wall situations, tub situations, if it's put in level or not, etc. So we have an alternative so that you can consider if a curved pre-made door doesn't fit in your opening. Instead, what we'll be doing is an inline door and panel, and it's inline only by theory, but it's actually going to be at a neo angle, and we're going to show you what it looks like. See these are different. These are custom adjustable hinges. So this type of hinge is used when the wall is not perpendicular to the to where the glass needs to rest. So we just loosen up these little keys right here, and now this will become free. Once we have it installed on the wall, we go ahead and tighten this, and that creates the new reset mode where the door needs to stop. All right, so as you see, everything is all mounted. All the adjustments have been made. So I like to lean towards making all of my shower enclosures double acting, but the door itself is a little bit wider than its position here to the back wall. So I don't want to risk someone opening this door too quickly and too hard to then have the door edge hit that wall. And so I'm just going to make this a single acting door, which is absolutely fine too. All right guys, we're all set. So this is the final product. All the vinyls have been placed, and also all the silicone has been applied. Okay. Remember, if you guys are doing this on your own DIY style, don't forget, when you do make holes into any subsurface, which, you know, like tubs, thresholds, even curbless, you got to be real careful with curbless though. Make sure you fill those holes in with some weatherproofing. Put your screw in, more weatherproofing. Put your clamps on, more weatherproofing, and then while you're at it, you might as well throw another bead around the clamps as well. Too much silicone is not an issue. Too little silicone is a huge issue. All right. So that's pretty much it. So as far as the hardware list is concerned, we've got all matte black finish, thus the square version with the square version Geneva hinges from CR Lawrence. The client really liked the ladder style pull. And that's about it. So, if you need one of these or have any questions about how to do one of these, please feel free to give us a call, 888-83-GLASS, or visit our website, njglassdoors.com.